my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my golfer and with Aldos. You haven't seen him in ages. And before we starting, I just want to tell you that I don't have much battery to the GoPro because something happened earlier. It didn't charge, but before, let me just show you a little bit around because you haven't seen it in ages. Here is the big brakes that you already seen on my channel because I posted a video. Some of you...
A video?
I posted
yeah,
it.
You posted more than one.
Yeah. So they are the brakes, bro. They look sick. They feel sick. You felt it. You have it on your car.
I already have it, yeah.
This is the interior because some of you haven't seen it. I've added these extensions as well.
Oh wait, what?
Oh, you haven't seen it?
I haven't seen that. Held on with the finest Chinese 3M tape.
Yeah. And we are ready to go for a drive. Test the brakes. Don't mind my mess at the back. All right, let's jump in the car and go.
Yeah. Sensational. I'm too sexy for this girl. Too sexy for your girl. Too sexy for this world. Too sexy for this. Too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put the music down so we don't get copyright. We got the drinks. I got the cold Red Bull.
Summer Fruits Oasis.
Perfect. Now we're gonna go full traction off.
Of course. The only way to do
We
it.
go in race. Let's go. Let's drive. You haven't been in this car in ages.
It has been a while, yeah.
Yeah, we actually haven't been in a drive probably in a few months together.
Yeah.
And on this drive we're gonna listen to our favorite song as well. As long as the battery holds us.
Oh, we can still do that after.
Oh, there's some. Oh, there's your fucking. No, it's in your door. You left your bottles. Nah, it's fine. Don't worry. Keep it there. It's fine. We can't do much about it here anyway.
I'll put one down
Ooh, shit, boy. I missed it. I missed recording POVs. I know that there's so many of you that have been asking to record the POV, and that's why I'm recording this on low battery, because that was the plan, to record the POV with my friend Aldos. But when we turned the camera on, we found out that it's only on a 30%. So this is gonna be a quick one, but we're gonna try to do as much as we can in 30 minutes maximum, I guess, because that's probably what's gonna hold it. If not
even.
Worst case scenario, we take the GoPro off and you can record with the phone.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, in case we find some mad activity or anything. Because we were supposed to take a different route, but we just can't now.
Yeah.
Because of the battery of the GoPro. If I tap it, look, if I tap it, the car wants to fucking stop.
Well, that's how brakes work.
Yeah, but it wants to. If I feel like the body of the car wants to live.
Keep going.
Yeah,
it does. But your mounts are also on the way out, so
yeah,
it'll make it feel worse. It's been a while since we've done that.
Yeah. Hey.
The Fox, fantastic Mr. Fox.
Oh, I missed it. Wait until we go on our roads.
Oh yeah.
On actually testing the brakes on our roads.
Oh yeah, proper B-road fashion.
Waking up. Bro, look the way it stops. It's so easy. I barely press it.
You barely break the press.
Yeah, I flashy, brother. I still flashy.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. You sometimes flashy too. It's fine.
Exactly. Don't worry, get digital ID, you're not fresh.
Oh, I'm gonna be a fully Brit.
Yeah. Say no to it. I'm not getting.
I think they're gonna still discover me by the accent probably. I don't think I can go, you know, like
unnoticed.
Yeah.
Tastes good, does it?
Yeah. Good Red Bull.
You're so Romanian.
What, you don't drink Red Bull here, bro?
Yeah, we do, but every time I see you,
I'm with the Red Bull.
You have an ice cold Red Bull.
Bro,
and if it's not cold,
I don't drink
even
it.
if it's got 3/4 of the drink left,
of course,
it's going in the bin.
Of course. Bro, the Red Bull has to be cold. At this time especially, the best Red Bull that you're gonna find is at petrol stations. Proper petrol station. I know, bro, I'm
Why a petrol station?
Because
Red Bull's Red Bull anyway.
no. The temperature of the Red Bull.
Well, petrol station fridges are just
Yeah,
colder.
yeah, they are. Bro, I can't lie.
Oh, it is,
people that drink Red Bull, they know. I swear to God. And there's a petrol station around Potter's Bar, bro. The best Red Bull.
Wow.
Bro,
That is some serious waffle.
I can't,
I
bro.
can't believe that.
If you want me, I'll take you there right now, and you can taste it yourself. Fucking hell. I forgot the way this car pulls. But now it stops as well. Bro, I don't even touch it. Oh yeah. Oh, our back roads. Our crazy back roads. Fucking hell, bro, that's my car.
Yeah, that is your car.
Shit.
The way he said that, you forget.
Whoa! You know in how long I haven't done this?
Oh wow.
Whoa! I can't believe this is my car. Oh, this is my favorite bit.
Yeah, you had some fun down here. Oh, you're rubbing still. Get some coilovers.
Oh, I got coilovers.
You got Stance Plus.
They good for £300. Bro, for £300, they are probably the best shit ever. Oh, shit! Oh, bro, the confidence that these brakes give you is mad. Bro, that's mad.
I told you they are some good brakes.
Whoa.
Brakes are, I'm so happy I got them because they're one of the crucial mods that I've done that I am like, now I look at them, they look great. I feel them, they feel great.
Bro, I barely touched them.
Do it properly, do it, try it.
Should we do a
Yeah.
right here?
Full one, yeah. There's no one in front.
Full one?
Yeah.
I feel bad for the brakes.
Why?
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now move off.
No way.
Just don't want to stick to the pads, yeah.
Yo!
And that wasn't even.
What's there so many
There's
cuts?
so many things running out, yeah. Do it. If you do a proper one again, you're in traction fully off as well. So you'll know when the pedal starts pulsating.
And
like
that was
before.
downhill as well.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna do on the straight line.
Yeah.
Yo! That was some good stopping distance. Well, we were not going that fast, but
No.
still. The wheels lock faster.
Yeah. Yeah, they would do.
Alright, let's see. Yo, look, I barely brake it. And I'm stopping by here. I can even stop it to. Bro, that's mad. Yo, that's mad. Bro, with my stock brakes, I would never be able to do. I would, if I touched at that speed, because I can't say I'm going to blur it, of course. I should have braked way earlier just to stop in time, because I knew that curve would come.
Yeah. Yeah, they allow for greater, for a shorter braking distance.
All right. Let's
So
see.
you can really have more fun.
And that was not full.
No,
full.
it wasn't.
Whoa, bro.
You got to get onto an M-way now, get roasted.
I'm in love with these brakes. You see, sometimes it does that. Whenever
It's over spooling and
Yeah.
it's having to open the wastegate, so you're not getting boost. Don't do that. Because it's got too much grip now, it won't want to slide. So you'll just bog the car down.
good to have a good pilot next to you. Should we do a launch control?
We can do a launch control.
Make sure it still records. You know I done the challenge with the.
Yeah, I saw.
Wow, that was mad. All right. Yo!
Every time you hit that, you say that. Bro, avoid the potholes.
Woo, shit.
Your next mod should be coilovers, bro. I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Get something.
Bro, this car's been... I bet this car missed being drive like this. I haven't drove this car like this in ages. This car only seen like normal driving.
Yeah.
But now, the brakes gives me that confidence to actually be able to push the car. Oh shit, that...
Good lord.
Fuck.
These roads are just getting bad now. Oh my lord, what the... Was that an animal?
Yeah.
These roads aren't the same anymore. I'm telling you.
Nah, it's not safe driving like that.
that's you got nothing left to your top mount.
And this one is not nice to go
No,
far.
not anymore.
No, this... So,
I remember 5 years ago.
should we tell them about the story that when we met here with my... I'm gonna put a video of my stock brakes when my car was stock.
Oh wow,
Bro, they were
that's such
smoking.
That's such the irony in that.
Yeah.
Because that day was the first day with your stock brakes.
Yeah.
And you cooked them.
Yeah! And then me and this guy... Bro, that car was still there. And then we stop here and we speak for hours and we barely met.
We'd been, yeah, maybe like 2 hours prior.
Yeah, that's crazy. And bro, I can't lie, I don't miss the pops and bangs. I miss the flames though. I would like to have the flames back, which I'm actually considering having them back on, but I like it with no pops.
Yeah.
And it's, bro, can you imagine this is almost 1 year since it's been stage 3? How?
It's been a long year.
Bro,
though.
it feels like it was yesterday when I tuned it.
Time to go by. That's just it.
I wonder how loud we
Sure.
are. I wonder how loud we are. Like, do we attract attention?
Yes, you do.
Unfortunately, the GoPro died, but at least we managed to get some footage on it. We came back to ESO. We're gonna let the car cool down for a little bit.
Sure.
But these are the brakes. Let me know what you think, bro. I don't know. How does it feel from a passenger side? The brakes alone. Fuck the power. Just the brakes.
It's mad. You're asking a guy
That
who has
the same.
these brakes with the two-piece floating
Yeah.
discs.
He had to mention. He had to mention it, brother. He had to mention that.
Have you seen how many shorts and reels he's done on his brakes? I haven't said it, but when someone asks me, yeah, two-piece floating big AP racing discs. Yes,
Yeah,
I went the extra mile. He went for the
Standard one.
He went for the standard. I said, screw it. Here's my entire life savings.
I'm thinking after this
Get
fucked.
the Godspeed two-piece. Don't go for the APs, but get the Godspeeds.
What's the difference?
The price.
What's the price difference in them?
Like, I think the APs are like 700 a pair.
Oh, all right. So what about the other ones?
Like more like 500 a pair.
That's good. I'm actually going to consider it.
because
But this won't go anytime soon.
no, you got probably 2 years.
Will I need
out of
any
that.
adapters for them?
Yeah. You
All right,
but VBT sold them.
All right. So that's next. But all right, let me just show you the interior because he doesn't like it. He hates it, but I really love it.
Look, the car deserved an all black interior. I'm not a fan of the white.
I think the blue and the
But
white
each
works.
to their own. So,
So,
if he likes it, he likes it.
Let me turn the
but-
camera around so you can see it. So as you come to the car, you can see the big brake kit from Aston Martin. I'm sorry guys, I'm just happy. And then as you walk, look, you can see the white interior. Bro, how can you know like this?
Bro.
And then you go inside and you see the carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber gear knob, and then you see carbon fiber seats.
What? Carbon fiber where?
Bro, look at the fucking carbon fiber seats.
That's not carbon fiber. That's just some fake ass weave.
Bro, it looks like
Bro.
carbon fiber.
Yeah, ain't for me. But each to their own.
So, and the blue, white and the blue, mwah, nice. And then we go back, because you maybe haven't seen the rear in ages.
Bro, you show off your rear every day. Everyone's seen your rear.
Look, this how the extension look.
This now. Little MK.
Oh, yeah. The tuner. Did I tell you what happened?
Yeah,
So-
tip fell out.
No, they stole it.
Oh, he's-
Bro, I had it when I took the car out of the yard. As soon as I get inside and then come back, this one here was missing. You guys already know it, but I replaced it. Bro, a single tip is like £60. I
Why
think
you get welded on tips?
they tried to steal more, but they couldn't. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hoped the GoPro didn't cut very early, because we done a little bit of madness. Even though it was short, we done a little bit of madness. And if you did enjoy, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because it helps me a lot. I'm Alex,
Aldous.
and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Tastes good, does it?
Yeah. Good
You're-
Red Bull.
You're so Romanian.
What, you don't drink Red Bull here, bro?
Yeah, we do, but